right over small crest and 3 left. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Right over small crest and 3 left. 100. Right over small crest and bump and 5 right. 40. 1 right long over small crest and 3 left. 5 right tightens into 6 left long tightens. 40. 1 right 100. 5 left tightens into hairpin left, hole outside. 5 left tightens, hairpin left. And hairpin right. 3 right long. 40 and hairpin left. 2 right. 4 left. 40. 3 left opens over small crest and 2 right. 100 left and deceptive hairpin right. 2 left continues to 80. 2 right 60. Right small crest, 5 left tightens at junction. 5 left tightens at junction. Turn 5 right and immediate 6 left don't cut. 40. 4 left long and turn hairpin right, rough inside. 130. 4 left. 4 left here. 1 left over small crest. 40. 3 left over small crest. Down 60 into hairpin left long. 6 right. 5 over crest and 5 left. 80 crest and hairpin right. 170. 3 left, hole inside. 150. 150 now. 4 right, in on crest. 40. 2 left long through dip and 2 right. 60, hairpin left deceptive. 2 right long, 60. 1 left over small jump, 80. Right over small crest, 2 left over small crest, and 5 left long. Tight 6 right. Tight 6 right here. And 5 left. 6 left and hairpin right. 6 left open, 60 through post and hairpin left. 3 posts, hairpin left. 4 right. 5 left, stumps inside. 1 left, 1 right. Small crest, 2 right. 100. 1 right over small crest and hairpin right through post. Hairpin right through posts. Ah! 130. Flat over crest, 150. Small dip, 40. 1 left over crest and bump. 150. 1 right. 150. Here's your 1 right. 150. 1 left long, 150. Small crest, 5 left opens.
Fuck off.
5 left opens.
Oh, fuck off.
3 left long, right over small crest, 2 left in on crest, 40 down, 2 right, 3 right don't cut, 5 left, 5 right, slowing for a hairpin right. Tightens. 40, square left. 40, 6 left long. 80, 1 right over small crest. 1 right over small crest now. Down 80, left, big jump. 150, 2 right long tightens to hairpin right. 60, 3 left continues to 100 and tightens 6 left long. 60, 1 left, 60, small crest, 4 left long into 3 right. 200, left over small jump, 2 right, 3 left and turn hairpin right. 3 left, hairpin right. 40, 3 left don't cut and square right. Square right. 250. 4 right tightens over crest and jump, 40 and 5 right. 5 right, 60. 1 left continues, 5 left over crest, down into a 2 right. 5 left, down into a 2 right, and 3 right long, 2 left over small crest, 100, left over crest and bump, caution 4 right in dip, hole inside. Small crest, tight 2 left, 40, 1 right, down 80, 1 right long, 100, 5 right in, 5 right in, 100, 5 left over small crest, go on, 5 left now, 150, left over small crest, 80, tight 4 left and 3 right tightens, tight 4 left and 3 right tightens, down into a 3 right, 2 left long, 3 left past hut, 100 to hairpin left. 80, turn hairpin right long, round the barrier. 4 left, 2 right, 150, hairpin left tightens. 200 now. 3 right and turn 5 left, don't cut. 2 right, 130. 3 right, 1 left long, 4 left past lane, 4 right, 40, 1 left long opens 40, into tight 4 right, 60, 6 right, 40, 1 left continues for 130, 3 right, 40, 1 left, 100, left and 3 right, left now into a 3 right.